One of the ways Dufferin Peel is working to provide culturally affirming programming for Indigenous students is through our new Wiimbaamitigoogshiing Indigenous land-based program.
Welcome to the Dufferin Peel Catholic District School Board's first land-based program. This program offers a transformative educational experience that invites students to deeply engage with Indigenous culture, language, and traditional knowledge through hands-on learning about the land. This interdisciplinary program, guided by Indigenous elders, knowledge keepers, storytellers, artists, and community members, allows students to earn various academic credits in an interdisciplinary program while fostering a profound connection to Mother Earth. Through immersive experiences, students actively learn from and honor Indigenous wisdom, cultivating respect for the environment as active stewards of the Earth. The program builds meaningful bonds and friendships within a diverse, culturally rich community, celebrating Indigenous perspectives and fostering a sense of unity and responsibility towards the land and each other.
Right now I think young people, a lot of them feel disconnected to the earth, and they're not getting the proper education to teach them how to live on this earth correctly. And we know that culture is the basis for them and their education and their learning.
When we go home, we are so excited for the next day that it just happened now. Here it's more like learning on the land and learning traditions and stuff that could help their emotional, mental, and physical well-being just all be better.
No, it's definitely helped me grow a lot. I've definitely learned more about myself and found more comfort in who I am.
They reintroduce our people back to the earth, where they can get their blood memory revigorated, oiled, so that they can find their true path on what they're going to do.